Welcome back to Wiring Products. Today we're going to talk about ring terminals. These are our non-insulated ring terminals. They are made out of tinned copper. They have a seam in the front, so when you crimp it, make sure that your dimple crimps down in the back for a better connection. These are our high temperature ring terminals. These are made for high temperature. They are made out of steel rather than copper. There is a seam right in here. So when you crimp it in the back so the dimple actually shows up in the back. That's so your seam doesn't split and it's a better crimp. These are the vinyl terminals. And if you see in there, it's got a wide opening so you could slide the wire into the barrel easily. And you crimp down right in here. These are the nylon terminals. They're a double crimp. So you crimp down by the wire, down in here, and you crimp up here at the top for a better connection. These are the heat shrink ring terminals. They're made out of heat shrink material. So after you crimp it, you would crimp it right in here, then you could heat all of this up and it seals down and gives you a watertight fit. And that is our selection of ring terminals. Visit us at wiringproducts.com.